Hello students. So today we will start a new chapter integer. As I have already discussed you the activity and the other introduction part of this chapter. So let's start with the exercise question answer. Okay. So your first question is find the sum of the following integers. As you know how to sum means plus. So it means 17 and की जगह पे you will write plus 17 plus minus 8. As you know, one is positive and other is negative. Then we will do subtraction. So 17 minus 8 is 9. Add. Here you will write 9. So which is larger number? Larger number is 17. Here it is nothing, it means plus. So answer is plus 9. Similarly, you can solve second part. In second part, you can clearly see that it is minus 36 and 19. So, and की जगह पे you will write plus minus 36 plus 19. It means one is negative and one is positive. So what you will do? You will subtract. So 36 minus 19. Answer is 17. But which is larger? Larger is 36. 36 के साथ क्या है? Negative. So you will write minus 17. So rest of the parts you can try it yourself, right? So now let's talk about second question. In second question, we have given find the additive inverse. Additive inverse means negative of a number. Whatever number you have given, just do the negative. So the additive inverse of 96 is negative of a number minus negative. Additive inverse means 96 में हम क्या ऐड करें so that you will get 0. So negative of a number ऐड करें so that you can get 0. Understood my point? So additive inverse of 96 is minus 96. Similarly, second part, additive inverse of 396 is minus 396. So it is a negative number. So you can say that negative inverse of minus 96 is plus 96 because question is minus 96. So negative of negative number is positive. Similarly, negative of positive number is negative. Understood my point? So similarly, third part, additive inverse of 0 is 0 का नेगेटिव क्या होता है 0, so it is 0. Rest of the part you can try it yourself. Okay. So see in third question, you have question subtract 32 from minus 80. So you know that the right side of the from will come first. 80 minus 32 because we have to do subtract 32 from 80. So it minus 80. So minus 80 minus 32. So as you know both are negative numbers. So what you will do? You will add these two numbers because both are negative. So add it. It will become 1.2. So but the sign will be minus because the larger one is negative. That's why. So next part is minus 36 from 42. So 42 minus this number. This number is minus 36. So minus into minus will become positive. So just add it. So this is the answer. And third part is subtract this from 0. So 0 minus 327 is minus 327. So rest of the part you can do it yourself. Now let's talk about fourth question. In this, subtract minus 284 from the sum of these and this. So it means first of all we will do the sum of minus 47 and 233. So what is the sum of 233 and minus 147? We will do sum. Sum is equal to minus 147 plus 233. As you know, one is negative, one is So what you will do? We will subtract. So what you will do? We will subtract. So 13. So 13 minus 7, 6. 12 minus 4, 8. 1 minus 1, 0. So answer is 86. But which is larger? Larger is 233, which is positive. So answer is plus positive. Done. Now your question will become subtract 284 from, इन दोनों का सम क्या आएगा 86 from 86. Now how will you do 86 minus this number? Minus minus will become plus. We will just add it. 284 plus 86. So 10. So 370 will be the required answer, right? So in next fifth question we have to simplify. Simplify means just solve it. So this is called sixth class mod of 10. This line means what if the number is negative or positive, the answer will be at that you will get positive. So minus 10 का mod will be plus 10 because mod एक ऐसी टर्म है जिसमें minus भी plus बन जाता है. So it will become 6 plus 10, that is 16. Right? So जहाँ भी ये 2 lines आ रहे हैं like this, इसके अंदर कोई भी नेगेटिव नंबर है, it will become positive. Right? Because mod में हमने क्या लेते हैं, सिर्फ उसकी absolute value चेक करनी होती है, sign नहीं चेक करते. तो mod में whatever the value it is given, you will get a positive value always. So next part is this minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. So first of all open the bracket. After this is minus, this is minus. So whatever you do, so what you will do 50 plus 200 because both are negative. So answer is 250. That is minus 1 because 200 is larger and larger is negative. So now one number is negative, one number is positive. So what you will do? You will do subtract. So 300 minus 250 is 50 and positive 50 because this is larger one is positive, right? So now let's discuss the fourth part. In fourth part you have given different brackets. So first of all solve the brackets. Open the bracket in smaller brackets. You will get this. Now solve this bracket. 75 minus 16, that is 15. So 15, this is plus, plus. Both are negative. So we will subtract. Sorry, we will add these two terms. You will get minus 36. Now open the brackets. You will get 15 minus 36. One is positive, one is negative. So what you will do? We will do subtract. Answer will be 21. So answer will be 21, but minus 21 because we know that larger one is a negative number, right? So last part you can do it yourself. Now let's talk about next question. In sixth question you have given, we have to verify that a minus minus b is equal to a plus b. So first of all solve the left hand side, which is equal to a minus of minus b. A is given 2 minus same bracket same minus b is given minus 6. So here put a large bracket because it is the value of b. B is a minus 6. So put the value minus bracket minus 6. Open the bracket, small bracket, it will become plus. So 2 minus 6 is a minus 4. Right? Now write. Solve the right hand side, which is equal to a plus b. The value of a is 2. The value of b is minus 6. So open the bracket. You will get minus 4. So it means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. ठीक है? So similarly you can solve the next question also, 7th question, right? Now let's talk about the 8th question. So in next part, 8th question, we have given that question is filling the blanks and write down the property used. We have to write down the property also. Okay. So your first part is -3 plus 4 minus 4. So what you will get here? -3 is already there. So it means here you get a -4 because 1 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2 is same as 2 plus 1. Same property is there. So this property is called commutative property. Commutative property. Right? Because 1 plus 2 is same as 2 plus 1. So similarly -3 will become here and -4 is here. So now second part is 6 plus a dash is 6. We know 6 plus 0 is 6. So here we have used additive identity. Existence of additive identity. Existence of additive identity. It means if you add 0 with any integer, you will get also the same integer. So this property is called existence of additive identity. Same here also, same answer. Right? So now here these are 3 numbers. So 4 plus -5 plus 6, 4 plus 6 plus -5. Because whatever the number is not here you will write the same number. So here you will get this kind of property. A plus B plus 3. मतलब आप पहले B plus C को ऐड करें, then you will add A. Here you will write A plus B then C. This property is called associative property. Associative property. Right everyone? So this property is called associative property. So we will do the next part. So in the ninth question, we have to fill in the box. इस box में क्या है? See, you will know that 9 में से if you will add 2, only then you will get 11. If you will add, but here it is subtract. So what you will do? Subtract plus subtract कर दो. We will write here -2. 9 minus of -2 will become 9 plus 2, which is equal to 11. So in this way we will solve this kind of question. So now second one is -14. We don't know which number you will add in -14 to get +22. So how will you do this? First of all, we know यहाँ पे you can put x. So x put कर दो, it will become on that side. So it means if you will add 14 in 22, then you will get the value of x. So x will be equal to 6 and 3. So if you will add 36 in -14, then you get the +22. In the same way, third part is minus of minus. So what you will do? Here minus of minus will become plus box is equal to 9. So it will become 11 plus box is equal to 9. 11 में से क्या ऐड करेंगे? You will get 9. You know that we will subtract. So it will become equal 9. So it means the value of box will be -2. So last part you can do it yourself. 10th part is the same. In the 10th question, you have to put a sign which is larger or greater or same. The question is this. We have to solve left hand side as well as right hand side simultaneously. So -5 plus 10. One is negative, one is positive. What you will do? Subtract. So answer is 5. But which is larger? Plus 10. So answer is plus 5. Now minus 5 minus 4 both are negative. It means we will add each other. But the larger one is negative, so answer is negative. Clearly, 5 is greater than minus 9. So in the same way, you can do the all 4 parts by yourself. So let's talk about the 11th question. The sum of two integers is minus 30. So according to question, the sum of two integers or two numbers is minus 30. It is given in the question. If one of the number is 15, अगर उनमें से एक नंबर 15 है, 15 कर दो, then what will be the next second number? So second number को you can take x. So according to your statement, this will be your equation. Okay, so we know we have to find the value of x. So x में and how to find x? 15 goes on that side, it will become minus. So answer is minus 45. So you will add minus 45 here to get a minus 30. So this is the required answer, right? Next is same as the difference of two integers. Difference of two integers means minus r. Difference means minus. Difference of integer a and minus 30. A and minus 13 का जो difference है that is equal to minus 4. ये given है ना book में. So you solve this. A minus of minus 13 will equal to minus 4. So minus of minus 13 will become positive. So A will be equal to minus 4. That is more on that side, it will become minus. So A will be equal to minus 17. This is your required answer, right? So next question is a submarine was 582 centimeter down below the sea level. This is sea level. So submarine is 582 centimeter below the sea level. If it ascends means ऊपर चलेगी 2200 meter, then what will be its new position? So what is the new position from the sea level? As it is below the sea level from the starting. So the first position of submarine is below the sea level means minus of 582 centimeter because it is below the sea level. Now it ascends. It ascends the distance of 2200 meter. So it is positive because ये ऊपर आई है. So what will be the new position? So new position will be equal to minus 527 plus 2200. So one is positive, one is negative. What you will do? We will do subtract. First of all, we will do subtract. Your answer is this is your answer. So write down the answer 3627. But which is larger? Negative one is larger. So answer is minus 3627 meters. So this is the new position of the submarine, right? So in question number 15, we have given that the temperature at Gurugram at 9 am was given in the book. It is 15 degrees centigrade, and by midnight the temperature fell by 9 degrees centigrade. So the final temperature at midnight would be क्या होगा? It would be minus. Fell means कम होगा, डिक्रीज होगा. So 15 degree minus 9 degree. What is the answer? 15 minus 9 is 6 degrees centigrade. Okay. So now another statement on the same question is the temperature of the Mumbai at 9 am is given 11 degrees centigrade, and by midnight the temperature fell by 6 degrees centigrade. So what will you do? We will subtract 11 minus 6 is 5 degrees centigrade. Okay. Now the question is which fall was greater, कि कौन ज्यादा कम हुआ, which fall was greater. ओके सो हमें पता ही है कि 15 में से 9 माइनस हुए तो कौन ज्यादा कम हुआ, which fall was greater, that the fall in temperature in Gurugram at 1 degree is greater in Gurugram. So write down answer. The fall in temperature at Gurugram is 1 degree centigrade greater. इसमें ज्यादा है, ठीक है, तो वो कम हो गया, ठीक है. ओके नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 16th क्वेश्चन ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है complete the magic table so that the sum of the integer in each row, the column and or diagonal is -12. तो what you would do कि माइनस को आप भूल जाओ कि माइनस नहीं करना, आप सिंपल प्लस करो पहले कि you have to fill this like this so that कि इनका टोटल जो आए वो 12 आए, diagonally also, column also, okay, and row wise also. Okay, you can try it yourself this question. So this will complete your exercise. Thank you everyone.